In the cheerful city of Funville, kids were having the best time ever. They played, laughed, and enjoyed their days without a care in the world. But little did they know, trouble was brewing. Suddenly, out of nowhere, giant boogers and nasty vegetables began falling from the sky. The kids of Funville were horrified. Who could save them from this slimy, yucky mess? But fear not, Funville. The Super Squad is here to save the day. Meet our brave heroes, Captain Clean, Veggie Vanquisher, and the Booger Buster.
No booger or grime can stop me. My soap blaster will wash away any mess.
These veggies don't stand a chance against my super-powered veggie vacuum.
Boogers beware! My tissue missiles will wipe you out!
With their super gadgets ready, the Super Squad sprang into action. Captain Clean aimed his soap blaster at the boogers, sending them splashing away in a burst of bubbles.
Take that, boogers. You're no match for my soap.
Veggie Vanquisher powered up a veggie vacuum, sucking up carrots, broccoli, and spinach with lightning speed.
Bye-bye, veggies. Time to go.
Meanwhile, the Booger Buster launched his tissue missiles, clearing the skies of boogers with pinpoint accuracy.
Booger Buster to the rescue! Wipeout achieved!
With the boogers and vegetables gone, Funville was safe once again. The kids cheered as the Super Squad landed back in the park, their mission accomplished.
You guys are the best! Thanks for saving us!
All in a day's work. Remember, stay clean and stay safe.
And always eat your veggies before they try to eat you.
And keep tissues handy. You never know when a booger attack might happen.
And so, the Super Squad flew off into the sunset, ready for their next adventure. Because no matter what the threat, they'll be there to save the day, the end.